I love eating homemade pizza, but making it from scratch feels like a huge chore. It's time-consuming to knead sticky dough, waiting for it to rise, setting timers, and dirtying 3 different bowls. If you've been wanting homemade pizza without all the hassle, you have to see this. Stay until the end because I'll show you how this machine has completely changed pizza night at our house. My family loves cooking together, especially homemade pizza, but I never loved how much work making dough used to be. This machine has completely changed that. In fact, my 13-year-old son did almost all of the work himself, and that's when I knew this was something special. This dough maker was provided to me at no cost, and I'm so glad it was. It's earned a permanent place in my kitchen. This is the DoughChief dough maker, and it has a large 7.4-quart food-grade stainless steel bowl, an easy-to-use touch control panel, a removable lid so you can add ingredients while it's mixing, a removable dough blade for easy cleanup, plus it automatically kneads and proofs your dough. It also comes with a wonderful step-by-step recipe guide for both homemade pizza dough and bread so you don't have to guess anything. Here's exactly how easy it is to make pizza dough. First, simply follow the included recipe and add your ingredients directly into the stainless steel bowl. Lock on the lid and select the dough mixing program. The machine uses a special mix-pause-mix cycle that actually mimics hand kneading, so the gluten develops naturally without overworking the dough. When the kneading is finished, you don't have to move the dough into another bowl. You don't have to cover it with plastic wrap. You don't have to set another timer. You simply press the ferment function and the DoughChief automatically keeps the dough at the proper proofing temperature while it rises beautifully on its own. About an hour later, your dough is ready to divide, shape into pizzas, add your favorite toppings, and bake. That's probably my favorite part. There's no waiting around wondering when to do the next step because the machine handles it for you. It can also make bread dough, pasta dough, and even mochi dough, so it's much more than just a pizza machine. The large capacity is perfect for making enough dough for family pizza night or several loaves of bread. If you're wondering whether it's difficult to use, it's very easy. The touch controls are simple, the instructions are easy to follow, and cleanup is quick because the blade and bowl come apart easily. Since we've started using this, homemade pizza has become something we actually look forward to making instead of something that feels like a big project. We spend more time together in the kitchen and less time worrying about the dough. If I can make one thing easier in your life today, let it be this. This machine completely solved my biggest problem with homemade pizza by taking care of the mixing, kneading, proofing, and timing for me. So all that's left is enjoying fresh homemade pizza with my family. If you've been thinking about making more homemade bread or pizza, I think you'll be so glad you gave this one a try.